going to make a video here on photos and media on the mobile app. So some obvious stuff. The bottom there's the camera icon, and then to the right of it with the mountains is the gallery. So I just clicked on the gallery button right there. That opens up the gallery, and you can go scroll around, right? Then the camera opens up the camera, and you can take a picture. You can fiddle around with the different zoom features, and you can kind of zoom in on things here. The zooming can be a little bit fussy at the moment. We're still working a couple of kinks out on that, but generally works pretty great at the moment, and will probably work even better here soon. So that's zooming. Then we've got all these different modes. So personally, I like to use 4:3 a lot. It actually helps condense the length of the report. They're more square pictures, and I think for all the close-ups, it's great. When I need bigger pictures, like sort of more zoomed out pictures, I use the auto. But if I were you, I'd play around with these, see what you like. The button up here at the upper part with the plus and minus is actually an exposure setting, and I think that's particularly important for some iPads that might need exposure settings, so I don't really need that on my Android phone. This guy just turns on and off. This, you probably don't care, but it tells you the different cameras that are being used. This is our tagging, which I've done a video of recently, so that's what the tag button. This guy is a little timer, so it'll I really don't ever use this, but you could set your phone up and have it like take a picture for you. So just so you know, let's see, you can turn on and off the flash, and we do have a flash light, which is actually super helpful in dark places. I use that some. So yeah, pretty simple. Open it up, snap a picture. I mean, it's just pretty obvious. So then if you go under the app settings here, we're on the client property information page, app settings. This is where you can make sure you're using the highest quality camera. So I like to use the large. You can use smaller images if you want. It's a lot less data to sync, but I kind of like the better quality pictures myself. So that's how you adjust that. And then, when you want to write a comment, how you kind of interface with these things, we can choose a comment here. We can open up the comment, and then we can either take a picture, and that's going to go, if you take a picture with a comment open, right, it just goes right into the comment, or we can go into the gallery and do it that way. There's also a super cool feature. If you swipe up, you can grab some pictures from your native phone camera. So if you like to use your native phone, which, the camera on the native, on your device tends to be a little better, you can just swipe up to add those, which is really kind of cool. So yeah, swipe up, and you have access to your phone's gallery. Cool, guys. I hope this helps. Thanks.